Hey everybody, so I got a few items from Lowe's as well as Home Depot. This is going to be a pretty quick video, just some things that I picked up and future videos to come, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so I picked up this little Big Shot super nozzle, 40% more force, 40% less water, will not leak, made in USA. And it says assembled by disabled US veterans. And anytime I can help fellow brothers, I'm all for it. It was like $8 and like 90 cents, something like that at Home Depot. This I got at Home Depot, and I got this 2-pack at Home Depot. I had another one just like this. I bought it at Walmart a while ago. It basically looks like this. It's all rusted and crapped out. So I picked this up, this 2-pack up for, I think it was $9 and like 95 cents, something like that. And this, there's no wrapping like these have wrapping on them because I picked these up yesterday, which was the 14th of June, and I was already using them, which is why this coupler is sitting here, because this coupler was attached to here, and these are quick couplers. I picked up 4 more of the same quick coupler, which is these guys right here. The tags on it. Let's cut these tags off. And these are called male quick connectors. I picked up this today, this section, all these adapters I picked up at Lowe's. This is a heavy duty brass shutoff valve connector. I also picked up 3 bags, which are not on the table. 3 bags, which had 10 gaskets apiece, which is these gaskets right here. It had 10 of them. I got 3 bags. They were $1.50 a piece. So I got 30 new rubber gaskets. I also picked up this yesterday. This I also picked up at Lowe's. This was at Lowe's as well, and this is just a barb fitting when your hose is broke or you need to cut your hose because it's rotted out and shorten your hose. Slide this in and you can use a spiral clamp. I didn't use that one because I bought more than one, and I'll take you outside and I'll show you guys real quick. It's kind of bright out here. So I kind of just stuck the hose up on my thing right here. Put the camera down real quick. Oh, there you go, guys. You fell. Alright, so there's water in this. I picked this quick coupler up because the other one I showed you on the table. I'll show you a little more closely. It was pretty shot, but like I said, the barb fitting style, I picked up 2 different styles. I picked that one up that takes just a little spiral clamp, and I also picked this one up, and it's the same barb fitting, and it just has the 2 large screws, and it clamps onto the hose as well as the barb fitting and keeps a tight connection. So this one I picked up. yesterday as well. And this is what the old barb fitting looked like. It's pretty bad. And this is what the old clamp looked like. It's pretty corroded. And then this is the nozzle that I just showed you inside. The rubber is missing right here. And I'll take this inside real quick. And the reason I replaced all this is because it was leaking really bad. But this nozzle right here is it's the exact same nozzle. This rubber used to be right here, and it has the exact same step right here, just like this one. Exact same step. It's the exact same nozzle. It's just this time I got it in a 2-pack. So these are some of the things I picked up, and then I was looking for this style because I picked this up because it's the closest thing I could find, because this is just a shorter version. You can see how long this one is, but this is a different style quick coupler. This has the two metal halves, kind of like a compressor quick connect, where you slide the metal ring down. Let me put this down. So here's basically these exact same thing. It's just, it's corroded. Put that over there. And this style, you can literally unscrew this end. And I couldn't find another one like this, where this piece could be unthreaded from this quick coupler. I don't remember where I got it. I think I got this at Walmart probably 5 years ago or so. I just thought it was neat that the quick coupler came with its own ball valve. But I couldn't find another one. But, there. See, I popped it up. Squeezes up and down. Like that. Pretty corroded. It's really, really corroded. But I just figured I'd show you guys what I picked up, as well as I also picked up two 3/4 inch smooth side PVC pipe fitting to hose thread. And this is for like attaching to your faucet. The reason I picked this up is because my wife wants to do a garden, so there might be more videos on a garden. Might be doing a video where I show you guys how to make a little tiny sprinkler system, where you drill holes into the PVC pipe and then you put little 1/4 inch, whatever length you choose, tubing, glue that into the main pipe, and then you could put like any kind of sprayer attachment you want. If you go to Home Depot, near the PVC pipe, it might be a different aisle. They have this huge selection of like drip system sprinklers, and you know, you could do one that does like a 360 spray. You could do one that just dribbles like 8 out of like 8 different areas. You could do one that dribbles out of 4. You can do one that streams, one that mists. They have all kinds of other attachments. But we're also going to be making using probably 1 or 1.5 inch PVC. Going to stake it into the ground. Then we're going to run a solid round piece of PVC, so you have the pieces staked. And then we're going to put a 90 degree on this piece, so it 90's up, and we're going to attach whatever the length is, solid PVC this direction, and then we're going to wrap cloth around it and run it to the wall so it gives the plant shade and some other things. So if you guys want to see more of that, please leave a comment in the description, and we'll do more gardening and build videos on building sprinkler misting systems for plants, sprinkler systems for plants. If you want like misting sprinklers or just small drip systems. I appreciate you guys stopping by. This right here is a 3/4 hose spigot attachment on both ends, and this is a regulator. So this will regulate the pressure down. So 3/4 hose thread, 25 psi pressure regulator. So this, whatever pressure is coming out of your hose, this will regulate it down to 25 psi constant, and it threads. Just like this one right here. If you wanted to test it on this piece right here, it threads with this as well. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. I'll give you guys updates on how well these are doing if I like this little big shot down the road. Appreciate you guys' time. Again, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.